In today's video, I will show you how to browse Tinder anonymously. Tinder actually rolled out its official incognito mode as part of a major safety and privacy initiative, helping users swipe with total peace of mind without worrying about running into coworkers, neighbors, or an ex. While free users can completely hide their accounts from the swipe deck, doing so locks them out of swiping entirely. Upgrading to incognito mode gives you a premium workaround, keeping your account totally hidden from the general public while still letting you actively view profiles. When it is turned on, you become completely invisible in the daily recommendations stack, and your profile will only appear to the specific users you explicitly swipe right on. To activate this hidden state, open the Tinder app and tap the profile icon. Next, go to Settings. From there, scroll down until you see the Control My Visibility section, and finally, select Incognito and upgrade to Tinder Plus or a higher tier to lock in your private browsing setup. And that's it. That's how you browse Tinder anonymously.